I stopped writing code on March 4th. The future is here, the world just hasn't noticed yet. March 4th was the day that Claude 3 Opus was released. It's an AI model so powerful, the code practically writes itself. I'm a founder, and it's fundamentally changed how I build. I've been wanting to build a dashboard feature into my SaaS product for a while. For context, the product automates customer research interviews for founders so they can build products people want really fast. But with an estimated 2-week development time for the feature, I couldn't justify the cost. Claude changes that equation. Claude doesn't just speed up coding, it understands design on a whole new level. I can feed it similar designs or have AI generate them, and it creates the UI elements. Iterating on designs with text prompts is now faster than designing it from scratch in Figma. This entire table took about an hour to go from idea to reality. After finishing the UI, the challenge was dealing with the vast amounts of unstructured interview data that Probe captures. First, I asked Claude to write the code that would generate the table headers. To do this, I needed to call an LLM within the app. I went with GPT 3.5 to do the legwork of converting the lengthy user goals into 2-word summaries. Claude struggled to write a good prompt to GPT 3.5, so I got GPT 4 to step in. Summarizing the transcripts themselves was trickier. The summaries that came out of GPT 3.5 were inconsistent, sometimes producing more summaries than there are goals, and often in the wrong order. To fix this, I had GPT 4 improve the prompts I was feeding to GPT 3.5 until the summaries were consistently structured correctly. Then I added a field to each interview in the database that tracks whether an interview is finished or not. Claude wrote a cloud function that listens for when that Boolean flips to true and triggers the code to instantly generate summaries for that interview when it does. To put icing on the cake, Claude then wrote code to let users export the table data as a CSV or XLSX file. Claude is far from perfect, and it didn't always write the code that I wanted it to. But we've reached a point where it's faster to delegate coding to an AI by continually prompting it than to do it yourself. That's a profound shift, and for some reason, nobody's talking about it.